Welcome back. In this part of the training, I'll be showing you how you can format your ebook content using WPS. So right now, let's go to our email where we save our content. Okay, this is our content, leading with purpose, empowering others to achieve greatness by Kenneth Lambert. This is all our content from table of contents to introduction, which chapter 1 down to chapter 9. Yes, all are in this together. But this is not how you're going to publish the book. So that is why formatting the book is very, very important. I'm going to highlight the whole document. I'll highlight the whole file. I'll select all. And I'll just copy it. I'll minimize this. So we'll go to our WPS. All we need now is just click on create new file. You just click on create. Click on that is the document. There are so many samples here that are available, but we are not going to be using sample. So you just click on blank document. This is a blank document space. There is nothing in it. So what we'll copy, our content I'll copy, we just paste it here. Okay. This is our content. Yes. From chapter 1 to chapter 9. So first thing we'll be doing is to format the title. So this is a way to format your books. Click on highlight. I'll highlight the title. Then I'll centralize it. You centralize. If I click on home, I'll bold this. Then I'll increase the size of it. Let me use 36. 28. Okay, I'll use 28. I use 28. Okay. Then I'll select just leading with purpose. Then I'll have to come and format it. I'll put color in it. Let me put red on it. Select. So the text color, I'll put the text color white. You see? Now I'll make the background red and the text color white. So what I'll need to do now, I'll change this empowering others to achieve greatness. I'll go to home. I'll not use a highlight color, that is the background color for it again, but I will use text color. I think I'll be using like something like navy blue. Yes, I use this blue. I got it. Now the author, I'll highlight the author and I'll centralize it as well. I'll click here, I'll bring this one down so that it will be in the middle of the page. I'll highlight this. I'll highlight the author. I'll bold it. Then I'll come and increase the size. Let me use 18. I'll use 18 for it. Okay. Now the copyright have to go to another page. We're moving the copyright to another page. You see the dot, this. You see the dot like this one, That is what separates, distinguishes the, and this is the margin, this is the end of a page. So you click on copyright, you highlight it, you bold it, you increase the size. I'll use 14 for this. Then I'll centralize it. So then I'll reduce space from here. So now this for this. But first, it's one important thing that we'll miss. I'll highlight all. Then I'll have to justify the document. Yes, I have to justify the document for everything to be equal. Then I'll put the size. I'll use 14 in size for all the write-up. Then I'll come back to the title, highlight the title, and I will increase the size back again to 28. Now you see how it is. Now I'm going to make this one not to be justified but centralized. Yes, this is how it should be. Then I come to the author as well. I scroll down a bit. Let's take it down a bit again. Then the author should be in center. We'll centralize where the author is. So this is the copyright. I'll highlight it again. I'll centralize it. We'll put the copyright at the center. The table of content. I'll highlight the table of content. We'll centralize it. Then we'll bold it. We'll increase the size to 18. Increase the size to 18. So, leading with purpose, empowering others to achieve greatness. That is the title, and this is table of contents. Now I'm going to take off this title from here. Cut it out. Table of contents has to start from introduction, then the other chapters follows. So this is our chapter 1. This is our chapter 1, which is the introduction. Let's take it to another page. Okay, this is our chapter 1. Highlight it. We'll centralize it. Then we're going to bold the changes. The size should be 18. Size should be 18. Then it is an introduction. So select the introduction. You centralize it as well. We'll have A of it, which is the welcome and the acknowledgement. You highlight it. You can choose to italize it. Yeah, italize it. Then use the B of it. So this is our chapter 2. We'll highlight it. We want to make everything caps lock. Everything should be capital letter. We'll centralize it. We'll come here, we'll bold it. Okay. Leading with purpose, empowering others to achieve greatness. I'll just highlight this. I'll highlight it. And I'll bold it as well. Then let's scroll down. 3 key components define purposeful leadership. So these points, I'll highlight each point. Self-awareness, I'll bold it. Self-awareness, I'll bold it. then empowerment and support. Just highlight each point, embody it accordingly. So you scroll up and embody it. So this is how to format your ebook chapter by chapter. I'll be doing this. So right now we are in chapter 2, which is you highlight each point by point and ensure yes you highlight all of them and then bold them. So every point has to be highlighted and then you bold it. Those are the major things that we'll be doing while formatting this ebook. So meanwhile I'll be skipping some points, I'll be skipping some chapter while I pause the video, and very close to the end I'll explain to you what and what I have not shown you in this part. Okay guys, this is our chapter 9. So chapter 9. The same procedure we are taking for all the chapters in formatting it. There is no difference, just follow one guide and you get exactly what I'm doing. So I'll just highlight the topic for chapter 9. I'll centralize it and I'll change it all to caps lock. I'm going to highlight and change everything to capital letter. So this is the right thing for you to do and get exact result that I'm getting. If you go out of the line, you mix it up. To me, WPS is kind of easy to navigate. It has all the functions that even when you are using desktop or laptop, you can achieve the same result here. So stay tuned as we go on, as we come to the conclusion of this training on how to format your ebook using WPS. In conclusion, bring it down, highlight conclusion, bold it, increase it to 20, put it on caps lock, that is all in capital letter. Then I'll have to centralize it. I'll centralize it. That is the conclusion. So we asked that time for the AI to provide us a takeaway from the book. So these are the points. We have to highlight the point of the takeaway as well. Yes. So we ask AI to provide additional resources. So these are the additional resources. We'll highlight it as well and bold it. Okay. Then the warm regard. Just write the author name, but in this case, we are not writing an author name. So just delete that space. Yes. Delete this page. Yes. Okay, we're not saving here. There's one more thing. Now let's preview our books and see how it looks first. Mobile view. Okay, this is a mobile view. This is how the book. This is our ebook. This is our ebook. You see how beautiful the book is. Very beautiful and well arranged. So guys, before the next training, that is for the publication, I'm going to show you on how you can add pages to the document. Because click on home, come to insert, you come down the header or the footer. So we're going to add page number. You say exit. It's asking because it's a mobile view, so you just exit and choose where you want it to. Is it at the header, or is it the header you want the page number, or the footer? We'll choose footer. Align, we'll put it on the center, then we'll just click OK. You see now we have all the document. It has pages now. All the document has pages now, and this is so beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Now we have all the pages well aligned. So what we need now is to save our document, and the format we'll be saving it is PDF. We'll be using PDF at the time of the publication, so that is the format we'll be using. Yes, chapter 9, then the conclusion and the takeaway. Yes, so this is really beautiful. So I click done, and we have to save it. We'll come to save document, click on save. I'll be saving it to my easy to find. Let's save it on the phone. Then I choose document. I'll click on save. So all we need now, just click on tools, then export to PDF. Export to PDF, so that we'll use the PDF format at the time of the pub. So click on tools, click on save as, select from here the format we'll be using. Click the format is PDF. Then you click on copy, cancel with WPS. Then we just click on export. You see the document is exporting now. Successfully export. So I'm going to view this. Beautiful. So this is a PDF format. This is how our document will be readable when we publish it on Amazon ebooks. So guys, stay tuned. On the next training, I'll be showing you how you're going to publish this book on Amazon.